Overview of the CEH certification program. So I'm a real big movie buff. I love movies. I love finding quotes. I love trivia about movie. And one of my favorite quotes, I know you're going to be shocked, it doesn't really come from an action film. You would think, something like "I'll be back" would be one of my favorite quotes, but it's not. It's from a film starring Tom Hanks and Gina Davis. I'll give you a little trivia and see if you can figure out what that is. 1990s. It was called A League of Their Own. And in it, Tom Hanks delivers one of the best lines I've ever heard. Gina Davis gets really tired or really difficult. There's a relationship thing going on with her sister. Her husband's coming back from the war, and she's leaving the team. And Tom Hanks and her have this big argument. And in the middle of the argument, he says, "Why are you quitting?" And she says, "I'm quitting because it got too hard." And then here comes the line. He says, "If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. Hard is what makes it great." Now, I'm not going to pull any punches here, folks. The CEH exam is not that easy, and it's not designed to be that easy. But once you take the exam, you're going to have to keep up on that certification. So in this module, we're going to go through and talk about this whole CEH certification program. We'll go through and talk about what the certification brings you. We'll also take a look at how to maintain your certification. This is not a one-shot pony here. You're going to have to... That's the wrong acronym, but you get the idea. You're going to have to maintain the certification. You don't just take the exam once and go, "Ooh, I'm done." And then we'll go through and take a look at what's expected of you. There's some high expectations. I have some high expectations of you.